What's going on, guys? William in here. Today I'm bringing you guys a very early video. It is currently 5:42. Will, what are you doing? You building Tundra this early in the morning? Huh? No. You going riding? No, my finger's still broken. You going fishing? Hell yeah, we are. So we're taking out the kayaks today. We're taking out 3 of my uncle's kayaks. It's just easier that way, the way it's loaded, so I didn't have to bring mine. We have Greg and Anderson coming. Unfortunately, we have Anderson coming because normally we have him, then we catch no fish. So we're going to Alabama today on the kayak and hoping to catch some dinner and bring it home one last time for my trip. So let's get down rolling the IOP and hopefully catch some. Hope everybody's a wonderful day so far, and let's get to the video. Right, Greg?
Yeah.
Let's do it. No, any guy Anderson can see him. All right, guys, I'm on the Hobie links here. I hear Alapalms, beautiful. Got Anderson over there on the Pro Angler 12. We got Greg on the Outback. Got my coconut Red Bull. Got a breakfast ready to roll. So hopefully we catch some dinner today. The goal is to catch redfish, and it's too hot. The water's too warm for trout, so I doubt they'll be here. Maybe some black drum, but let's see what we got today. Got Anderson. We got Greg.
What's up?
How you liking the Hobie? Second time?
Love this thing, man.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're pro. All right, guys, we're here at a dock. This is the first dock we'll be trying. If we get nothing, we'll move down to a different dock. But we're on the dock right now. The other docks will be on the kayak. We are currently using blue crab, cut up blue crab. So the last time I was here last week, and we did really good here. But right now it's incoming tide, so we should get some action going here soon. Oh no! 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 He's on his knot! No! Got him! Woo! Oh, that's a big boy.
First one already.
Yes, sir.
I'll bring him in with.
Yes.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, he might be a keeper. He might be riding the dock. If you, oh no, don't get in that pole. Alright, I gotta get to the kayak. How the heck am I get to the kayak? I think he's too big.
Really?
Yeah.
It's only too big if they find out.
Yeah, I don't want to also pay 800 bucks. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, he's definitely oversized.
Okay, well, we'll get a picture.
Yeah.
That's the important part.
You're right.
You know, we don't really do
We need to just pose. Woo!
That's a nice one.
Yeah, y'all. Big boy. Yeah, I need pliers actually.
I got you.
Oh, can you grab my phone now in my pocket?
That's like 30, right?
Yeah, probably. Definitely oversized.
Show the camera, Will.
Sir, it's a big boy.
Kiss.
Big boy, guys. Big old boy. First one of the day.
Am I taking a picture?
Let's do it.
All right.
See ya, Bubba. Oh, healthy boy. All right, guys, we're moving docks. Sort of got yelled at or Karen'd at that dock. So we're moving down to a different dock, and we might return there later, except we're gonna sit on the kayaks on the way out. So we're gonna go to a different dock. I did pretty good at this other dock we're about to go to last week. So, but I wasn't recording. So hopefully today, since we have the camera, hopefully we actually do good. So see how things go. So far we got that big red. I honestly thought I was gonna lose it there, Greg. Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised I got him. But he was probably, I'd say 28 to 30. I'd say he's about 28 inches from what my eyeball looks like, or what I'm eyeballing. But yeah, let's see you guys at the other dock. Nice and calm. All right, guys, over here at our next dock, we got Greg in front of me. I'm casting towards the dock, Greg. You cast towards that walkway.
Okay.
Yeah. The middle one, not the wooden one. Yeah. So we'll see if anything's here. Anderson's the dock behind us.
Oh,
That's all right. You could have done that.
what is it?
That could have worked. It's all right.
I don't know where you are.
I'm towards that white pole. The white little lamp.
Oh.
Yeah. Going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Oh, that's a good one. I think this might be keeper. Oh yeah.
Oh, you got it.
Woo! Woo! That's a big boy too, god dang it. That's too big. I guess better than this baby fish, man. Come on, man, you're smashing my GoPro. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Let's get him up in the kayak. Oh yeah. Dang it. Oh yes, the content right here, son. These guys not tired. They need to wear down. For what? The one on the eye? That is definitely the right one. Does it originally have eye?
Yeah, I think it's
Oh yeah. Thank you. No, he's 24. He's 1 inch off. Yeah.
It'll be fine. We can take it off.
Nah. Woo! Another one, boys. Another black drum. Keeper too. Yes, dude. Oh, babe. Oh, I'm having a freaking good time, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm soaked. Oh no, the hook's loose. Oh no, 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 no.
Get it?
It's gonna be risky right here. Hook's like barely on there. Three, two, one, got him. Yes. Oh my god, the hook about came off. Yeah, this one's bigger than the last one.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, that's a freaking good one there, guys. Yeah, camera recording. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, you hear him talking. Alright, you guys, we were catching nothing in that other dock there, so we're heading back to our first spot here. The tide's pretty high now, so hopefully this dock will do us some good, because a lot of fish is getting up on the grass now because the tide's coming up. But we'll see what we catch at this dock here. I got 2 black drums down that dock there, good sized black drum, so hopefully this dock will do us some good. Hopefully get some reds here, that's what I'm looking for. Got one, no! Got him. Woo! Dang, boy, another black drum. It's huge. Heck yeah, man, I'm on fire today, dude. We're in reverse, Terry. Yeah. Oh, boy. Where'd that Anderson go? Anderson? Got another black drum. Huge.
He's still pulling me out here, dude. Woo! Awesome, dude. Another black drum, guys. Woo! Yeah, son. I thought I got lost in there, not gonna lie. Yes! Yes, dude. Look at that, baby. Dang, he's a big boy. Why is it upside down? Alright, look at that, big boy. Dang. Another one, guys. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Oh my. See how... Huh? Yeah. Because it's summertime? He's huge. Oh my gosh. Huh? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. Yes. Woo! Come here. God dang it. No. Get it. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, dude. Whew. Yes. Ooh, I hear you, bud. I hear you. I want to eat you too. Oh yeah. Might be max size. Let's see. He is 22. You got one? Yes, dude. Look at this, dude. Another one, guys. Another black drum. Oh yeah. He's dark, dude. Man, black drum on fire today. I got him. Every bait, catch a fish. Heck yeah. Come on out, buddy. Oh yeah. Feisty little guy. Ayers, you know how to tie it? Guys, would you look at that? What a good freaking day, dude.
Alright, you guys, I completely forgot to do an outro. I am actually in Vietnam right now, so that's what I'm telling you guys. I am on vacation for a month, so eventually I'm gonna run out of videos. I won't be uploading for maybe 2, possibly 3 weeks, depending. when I get back if I can make content or not. So I only made so much as I possibly can to line it up, videos. Shout out to Anderson. We still have his dirt bike video to come up. We have that one coming up. I have another Tundra video coming up. So like I said, we might skip 2 or 3 possible weeks of no upload. So I'm sorry about that, but I do hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I didn't get Greg's point of view for his fish he caught, so you guys go check out his channel for that. Anderson also caught fish, but I didn't have the camera recording for that either. So but today was such an epic day, very successful day. We caught a lot of black drum. You caught one red, oversized red. Yeah, and then I caught an oversized red. I think that's it. It's been a while, I don't remember. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Check out the kayak. Shout out my uncle for letting us use kayaks. So without further ado, everybody enjoy today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, to post notification on, do share as well. Right, Anderson?
Yes.
And without further ado, hope everybody has a wonderful rest of the day as always. And I'll see you guys in the
Next one.
peace.